Welcome to the Medical Home Portal. I'm going to give you a really brief overview of the website and also talk a little bit about how the Medical Home Portal can be a great resource for your state Title V program. So what is the Medical Home Portal? We are a unique and reliable source of information about children and youth with special healthcare needs, and we think of ourselves as a one-stop shop for both families, medical professionals, and other caregivers. And I'll walk you through a little bit about the clinical information we have. We have 56 diagnoses modules on our website. And here's a list of them, just a really brief overview of what those look like. They are really in-depth. They provide information around clinical assessment, treatment management, and resources and services. In addition, we also have 43 newborn disorders that we outline, and just looking at one of those quickly, you can see it provides information around a description of the condition, clinical characteristics, and what to do if a positive screening result is received, and information and resources for families. We also have a section called For Physicians and Professionals that goes through lots of information around coding and billing, how to create a medical home practice, care coordination, and common issues for children and youth with special healthcare needs. And lastly, our content for parents and families walks families through information, everything they would need to know from before a diagnosis all the way through navigating transitions with their child. And there's a lot of really great information in here as well about frequently asked questions on different diagnoses and conditions. Finally, in our services and directories, people can search for local service providers in their state. And this is where partnering with the Medical Home Portal provides the most opportunity to customize information for your specific state around services, supports, and specialists. So I'm going to use the example of Utah to show you how somebody could, for example, search for an ABA provider, and they would get results for their local area. It produces a map with pins in it. They can zoom into their specific area and look at any of these pin markers to see more information about it. If they were to click on it further, it would take them into more of a description that would give them information around eligibility, services provided, and a little bit about the organization where they could reach out and contact. So that's just one of the features that we can provide for those states that choose to partner with us. In addition, we can customize certain content within the Medical Home Portal to be state specific. And each state receives a unique URL that can also have information and tracked and provided on a monthly and quarterly basis around how much viewership the site is receiving and areas of the site that are most popular and visited by your audience. Finally, the last section here is State Partner Projects. It's a place for learning and sharing among state Title V programs where we hope to be able to have highlight projects that are happening in some of our partner states around transition, care coordination, mental health care access programs. That's just a really quick overview. Again, we hope to be able to talk to you more if you're interested in partnering with the Medical Home Program and what that would look like.